In this video, you'll learn how to embed a PDF in WordPress using Elementor. This guide explains the process step by step, ensuring you can easily add your PDF documents to your web pages or posts. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, locate the section labeled Pages or Posts on the left-hand menu. Click on the appropriate section based on where you want to embed your PDF. Once you are in the desired area, either select an existing page or post to edit it, or click on Add New to create a new one. You will be directed to the Elementor editor where you can customize your content. Next, in the Elementor editor, you will see a panel on the left side. Look for the option to add block, which is typically represented by a plus sign. Click on this icon to open the block selection menu. In the search bar that appears, type in File to find the specific block you need. The File block allows you to upload or link to a PDF document. Once you see the File block, click on it to add it to your page or post. After adding the block, you will be prompted to either upload your PDF file or paste a URL if it is hosted elsewhere. If you choose to upload, click on the B upload button and then select the PDF file from your device. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed and connection stability. Once the PDF is uploaded, you should see a confirmation that it has been added to the block. You can also adjust settings such as the file title or description if needed. When everything looks correct, you will want to save your changes. To do this, look for the Update or Publish button located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Click this button to save your work and make the PDF accessible on your website. It's important to verify that the PDF is properly linked and viewable after publishing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.